To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your Bitmoji icon or profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Then, tap the gear settings icon located in the top right corner. In the My Account section, select Two-Factor Authentication. On the next page, tap Continue to proceed. Next, select your preferred verification method. If you travel abroad without access to your phone number, or use Snapchat on another device, select Authentication App. And if you prefer to receive login codes via text, select SMS verification. A 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. Enter the code in the field provided. You can also generate a recovery code, which allows you to log in on a new device if you lose access to your phone number. For your security, enter your account password. Then, tap Continue. This is your recovery code, please write it down and keep it somewhere safe. Your two-factor authentication has been successfully enabled. A checkmark will appear next to SMS verification to confirm activation. So that's how you can enable two-factor authentication on Snapchat.